Hi there. In this video, I will be giving you a quick look at a new feature introduced in MAPublisher 11.7, managing data links with database connections. The ability to manage databases with the Manage Data Links tool allows you to update linked databases without having to re-import and restyle your data whenever changes are made. The tool works with most database types, such as personal and file geodatabases, just the same as any other supported file format. However, PostGIS databases are managed slightly differently, and I will show you how that works in this demo. Here I have a map showing campsites within Glacier National Park. If I open the Map Views panel and click the Manage Data Links button, you can see that my map file has both campsite point data and contour line data stored in a PostGIS database. As you can see, PostGIS databases display a gray update icon next to them, allowing you to pull possible updates at any time. This is because they are server-based and do not provide a reliable way for MAPublisher to automatically detect when changes are made. In my case, I know that changes have been made to my database, containing extra campsite points and more detailed contour lines. I can select my database in the list and click the Update button to prompt an update. In this dialog box, I can confirm which map layers will be updated. And there we go. You can see that new campsites and more detailed contour lines have been added to the map and styled accordingly. From here, all I have left to do is rerun the Label Pro tool to add labels for my new points. Managing data links with database connections is a great tool for making your workflows more efficient. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.